What's up everyone? Today I want to use and review a tool that's become a staple in my toolkit. The Ryobi ONE Plus 18-volt string edger and trimmer. You can grab these at Home Depot or most big box stores, and in my opinion, it's a must-have for homeowners and even renters because of its affordability and ease of use. There are two main ways to run this tool. First, you've got your standard weed whacking. That's my go-to for overgrown areas. But then you've also got the edge trimming mode. And both modes have the same safety trigger and trigger to start it as you see here. To swap between modes, you just press these two buttons and rotate the head to match the job you're doing. Here is a tip that I didn't think about until many years later. This small blade on the right is what cuts your string to length when it becomes too long. Over time, grass and gunk build up there, so make sure to keep that blade clean. If it gets dull or dirty, it'll stop cutting cleanly and your trigger loses its edge. Another common interaction you'll face with this tool is swapping the spool. Fortunately, that's a breeze. Just pop the cover off like I'm doing here by pressing down on the two buttons you saw me press. With the cover removed, you can grab the spool and simply pull it out. Then get your replacement spool, size them up, and feed the line through this small hole here, and drop that centerpiece back in. You'll hear a click once it's locked. Managing the line length is important. If the string is too long, just rotate the spool counterclockwise to tension it back in. But if it's too short, you'll notice it won't just pull out because it's locked in. You have to press this release button right here. Once that's held down, you can pull the line to your desired length, let go, and ensure it's clicked back into place. Once that's done, snap the cover back on and you're back in business. Here's my take on this tool. If you correctly time purchasing this tool, you can get it for about 80 bucks, including the battery. That value is incredible. I've been using it for 8 years to maintain all my properties without any issues. I would recommend buying the heavy duty or thicker gauge spool string because it's going to be more durable against pine cones, branches, or edging through tough, dry soil. But what I love most is the convenience. In tight spots where I don't want to be logging my lawnmower or in areas like this where it's mostly weeds, this way is faster. Plus, it's cheaper. Gas and prices will add up. Here, you just slide in a battery and get going. Speaking of batteries, the Ryobi ONE Plus battery is fantastic. I usually get through my whole yard on a single charge and the swap out is incredibly easy. It's simple, effective, and budget friendly. Now, a quick reality check on the edging. It's not going to be as fast or quite as powerful as a commercial grade trimmer. Keep in mind that edging against really tough soil eats through the string fast, especially if your yard hasn't been maintained in a while. I think it's been 6 years since this specific yard has been touched. When the line finally wears down and you stop hearing the string spinning and instead you kind of just hear a whisper sound, just refresh the spool like I showed earlier. And my advice, keep a 3-pack of replacement spools readily available so you don't run out unexpectedly. If this video was informative and helped you out, please go ahead and hit that like button and share it with a friend or neighbor. Also, take a look at my channel and subscribe for more home DIY do-it-yourself repairs, maintenance, and renovation projects that will save you a ton of money by avoiding having to hire expensive contractors or handyman costs. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.